Open wide, the great outdoors beckons, where nature's bounty is ripe for the taking. Picture this: mushrooms, those earthy, savory morsels waiting to be discovered. But how do you go from forest floor to gourmet meal? First, a word of caution. Not all mushrooms are your friends. Some are downright dangerous. So arm yourself with knowledge, consult an expert, or stick to the supermarket. Now, imagine your bounty, freshly plucked from the earth, cleaned with a soft brush. The smell, the texture, it's an experience like no other. Then the magic happens. A simple campfire, a cast iron skillet, a drizzle of olive oil. The sizzle as mushrooms meet heat, the aroma wafting through the air. Maybe some garlic, a sprinkle of thyme, a dash of sea salt. Finally, the moment of truth. A forkful of mushrooms, cooked to perfection, bursting with flavor, served straight from the skillet under a canopy of stars. Outdoor mushrooms, a taste of the wild, right on your plate. A feast for the senses, a celebration of nature. It's more than a meal, it's an adventure. Experience it, savor it. Until next time, bon appetit.